Well, it's pretty early in the morning here in Chiang Mai. And that's my alarm clock. Just started. Of course, I want to make sure I get up early enough to hear Stephen Fearing. Because he's got an online show happening on the 31st of July, Stephen Fearing time. But it's August 1st here in Chiang Mai now. Anyway, the sun ain't up, but the rooster is, and so am I, in Chiang Mai.